Welcome, founder. I'm Ohad, the founder and CEO of ThinkUp. As an entrepreneur and active investor, I've been exactly where you are, so I know how complex and lonely this journey can get. You should be proud of yourself for taking this first step. Acting on your idea is brave. Most people only talk about it. Getting from 0 to 1 is hard. It takes dedication, effort, and consistency. But what if I told you we found a way to help more startups succeed by following a proven framework? ThinkUp was created to help you start building your dream with confidence. From understanding your customer and market to defining your product and business model. We guide you through every step with clarity. First, describe your idea and complete your basic onboarding. This sets the stage for creating your personalized founder's journey. You'll then be directed to our steps map, clarifying where you are and what your next step is. As you work through each step, take a moment to read and add your input thoughtfully. Over time, this information builds up, allowing us to give you tailored suggestions based on your specific use case and stage. To fully unlock each step, review the summary insights and investors Q&A and better prepare for your pitch. With ThinkUp, you're never alone and always have someone to think with. Feeling stuck? Ask Spark, your ThinkUp AI mentor. Get smart answers based on your startup, your stage, and your ThinkUp data. Need a human in the loop? We are here for you. You'll always have access to human support with the option to book a mentorship session along the way. And your idea, it stays yours, always. We don't have access to your work unless you choose to share it with us. Now it's time to transform your idea into something real. Thank you for putting your trust in ThinkUp. We're excited to be part of your journey.